So here's a little bit of advice from experience. The problem with this door is that it sticks right up there. So when I go to open it, it won't come open gently. It sticks at the top. It's very aggravating. Now, a normal person would go ahead and dehinge the door and take it off and set it on the ground and grind some of the top off up here. But there's a much easier solution. What I'm going to do is put a piece of cardboard behind this hinge, and that'll force the door over and down just a little bit, and hopefully it'll make it so that it doesn't stick up there at the top. Okay. Now, I'll just put this piece of paper, actually it's a thin piece of cardboard, right behind the hinge. Okay, now come back inside, and hopefully we've solved this problem in just minutes. Look at that, the door works fine. My father taught me that.